What's up guys, iAppleTuber here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you another special sponsored video for transferring your iPhone data onto your computer. Let's get started guys. iAppleTuber signing off. Hope you guys did enjoy that little skit I did there. It's for iAppleTuber. He's the homie. Nothing against him, it's just a small prank. I hope he does enjoy it, or he could take me down, that too. Alright guys, let's get straight to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to try to boot your device back on. There's multiple issues that could be happening with your iDevice. One could be that you software updated it manually through like a plug in your computer and you just plugged it and now it's not turning on, or it's just having issues, just stuff like that. Or you could have just like wet it, or you could have just had random issues. Like, you know, everyone has random issues. It's not always the person's fault. It could be software or hardware, or your little kid just decided to touch it, which is okay. That's fine. I will try my best to help you guys with that. Alright, and if you guys need any help, I will be having help in the description. I will have some links there for you guys, just for some troubleshoot links, just in case you guys still have some issues. Also, if you guys have any more problems, I will be there in those comments, so I will be answering them if you guys do have some. Alright guys, hope you guys do enjoy this video. Let's get started with this tutorial. Alright guys, switching over to iPhone cam. So as you guys can see, this is my iPhone 6. It's running on the latest iOS 11. So this should work for you guys if you guys have some trouble. So number one issue is, a lot of the times if you don't use your iPhone a lot, it can go out of battery completely. So if you do press the on button, it won't show you guys your little battery symbol or stuff like that. So what you guys want to do is obviously plug it in, but leave it plugged in for about 10 minutes, and if that doesn't do anything, you can resort to these other options I do have for you guys. So as you guys can see, this is the regular iPhone. If it doesn't turn on, or at least have this little logo you guys can see there, then there is an issue. One thing, it could be that your iPhone itself could have just crashed. What you basically to do to remedy that is hold the power button as well as the volume up button. So you hold them both at the same time, like this. You shouldn't see anything on the screen if this is your case. And then once you hold them, it should boot up like regularly if you do have battery. But if you don't have battery, it will just do this like mine. That's basically it for that method. There's also one more method you guys could try. You could try going into DFU mode. Now if you guys don't know what DFU mode is, it's basically when you hold like certain buttons and you release once you're ready to get into DFU mode. If you guys don't know what that is, there's a link in the description which show you step by step how to do it. This iPhone physically, its home button doesn't necessarily work, so I can't really do it, but I will be showing you guys one more method which should work. So if your device is still not working after DFU mode, what you guys can do is hold the volume up button, the side button, and the home button. Once you hold all three of them together, once you try that, if it really doesn't do anything, it doesn't turn on, you may just have a dead iPhone. It could just be water damage, or battery life is completely off, completely dead, doesn't work, so you might have to take that to the Apple Store. Well, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If that did not work for you, I'm so sorry, but I did try to help you out. If it did, smash that like button, think of subscribing, and turning on those notifications, guys. Alright, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a smack like. If you have any constructive criticism, leave those in the comments down below. Alright guys, let's get started. Ha, psych! See you in the next one. Peace!